Hey everybody, it's Saturday morning, 11:15. Well, we're supposed to get some storms today, and I was sitting at the house. Stewie jumped up and ran under the bed. So I looked out the window, and sure enough, it was pouring down rain. So I thought, I'm going to take a ride, because I like to go out in the rain. See what's going on. Maybe I'll take a ride out Parker Dam, which is where I'm at right now. And once again, there's hardly anybody here. See up the, we're gonna look up the campground. Those cars parked there. That's where you have to park if you want to go visit somebody at the campground. You're not allowed to have more than one vehicle at the parking at the camping spot. So you got to park here and walk up. We'll see if there's anybody up the campground. There was one little kid on the beach, one little tiny tot, probably, I don't know, 4 or 5 years old, making us playing in the sand. But other than that, nobody was on the beach. There's a guy hiking. See what's going on up here. We'll just take the short route. That seems to be where everybody goes camping. There's a turn to the right here. You can go, kind of goes deeper into the woods where they're more sort of private camp spots, but most people camp down in here. There's some little tiny tots, some campers, nice campers. It smells good up here. It smells so good because everybody's cooking outdoors on the barbecue. Yeah, there's quite a few people here. There's back that way, you can't see it, but back that way there was a bunch of campers. There's a puppy dog. I didn't bring anything to eat. I wish I'd have brought a hoagie or something, because now I smell all this food. It's making me hungry. Yeah, quite a few people. Not as many as I expected, but quite a few. Let's go up through there again and take the, we'll go up through there again and take the back way. It looked like there was quite a few back in that area. We'll see. That's where I would go, is in that back area. I should find out how much it costs to camp here. I don't even know. I could ask the camp host back there, I guess. I'd like to come out. I keep saying that. You know how it goes. Get plans and you never... keep putting them off. I keep putting them off, for some reason or another. Actually, earlier in the week, I was thinking about that. I should have just got a spot for this weekend and just dove into it, but I didn't. There's quite a few back here, too. Lots of nice campers. Nice campers and nice trucks. And lots of money. Lots of money. I'm lucky I can get a tent. But that's the way we always camped anyway. Mostly we didn't even use a tent. We just slept under the stars. Sometimes we'd have a tent though. Not very often. There's a tent. There's somebody in a big tent. Well, it's a nice warm day. It's nice temperature. It's 73 out, which for me is perfect. And boy, it rained hard when I was at the house there, and then as soon as I left, it quit. But it's sprinkling on and off. So I'll bring you back in a bit. We'll go down by the beach. Look at that little car they got here now. That's something new I never saw at the state park before. Probably a little electric car for them to run around in. Looks like we're gonna get the rain. Here comes the rain. Yep. Here it comes. The beach is clear, nobody on it. Got my new wipers. They still kind of squeak though. I think it's, well, I don't know. Maybe I need a different kind of washer fluid. Now it's raining pretty good. We go back by the cabins. Oh, that rain feels good. I love it. Love it, love it. Love it, love it. Look. People running from the picnic tables. Got their umbrellas up, trying to keep the grill from getting wet. They have cabins back here you can rent. I think I showed you before. They're nice cabins. I guess you gotta reserve them way ahead of time though. Like a year ahead of time. They're all full though, it looks like. Some little kids standing out in the rain. Yeah, the cabins are doing well. Lots of people out here. Oh, he's going off into the woods. That'd be nice if they gave rides out in the woods, wouldn't it? I'd go. Maybe that's what they're gonna do. Wouldn't that be nice if they gave you a trail ride? This is a little cul-de-sac here. Yep, rain's coming down. Uh-oh. Couldn't even see there. Rain's coming. I didn't hear any thunder and lightning yet, though. I wonder if these people are still out with their umbrellas. I should have got that on camera. They were trying to hold the umbrellas over their barbecue grill. Where were they? Way up here, I think. Right up here, there's a whole bunch of people. This camp. Yeah, they're still trying to keep their grill. Still trying to keep their grill going. See if I can get a picture of that. See them holding their umbrellas up. Holding their umbrellas up over the barbecue grill. I should stop in and crash one of these parties. Tell them I'm their long lost uncle or something. I could get some food. I'm your long lost uncle. Can I have a hot dog and a hamburger? I'll gladly pay you tomorrow for a hamburger today. Is that what Wimpy said? We're gonna back up and park here for a little bit. It quit raining again already. It's one of them days, off and on. Sorry, I didn't even pay attention. There was somebody behind me. I'm just gonna sit here for a little bit, see what the rain's gonna do. I don't get kicked out for parking sideways. So there's the beach. Nobody's on the beach. Nobody's on the beach at all. Nobody fishing. Nobody's fishing. Okay, I'll be back. Hey everybody, well, I'm home. The rain's really coming down now. I'm sitting in my driveway just getting things organized. I left Parker Dam. It was making me hungry out there. So I went out and bought a couple of these hoagies. These are made in St. Mary's. These are so good. I think they're $3.19 or something. Anyway, that's what I'm gonna eat. So I'm sitting in the driveway, seeing if it'll slack off a little bit so I can get in the house. But I don't know, it's really coming down. They said something like 2 inches an hour, so that's about where we're at. Hope we don't get any floods. It takes a lot more than this to get us flooded, but I do live in a flood zone. Got the creek right back there behind me. So I'll be keeping an eye on that if it keeps raining like this all day. But I don't think so. Creek wasn't high to start with, so it'll take quite a bit for it to come up over the bank. And a lot of rain to get it up to my house. So I'm just gonna sit here and head in the house. Probably sit on the porch for a little bit. I think I'm gonna go in and get something to eat. Then I'm gonna come out here and start working on cleaning my shed up. Be a good day to do it. The rain will sound nice in the shed. It's nice and warm out. So I think that's what I'll do. So look forward to a video probably tomorrow. I'll be cleaning that shed. See what the weather's like tomorrow. It's supposed to rain, I guess, for 2 days. So we'll see. Hope everybody's having a good weekend. Take care. Stay dry. Stay frosty. Dale out.